In just 72 hours, you can make the most powerful hair DIY you have seen on YouTube. Stay tuned as I take you through this journey. As you can see, this is how the whole mixture is looking after 72 solid hours. You'll know that all the nutrients has been washed in this water, and we're going to use this particular mixture as a hair rinse on wash day. You will leave this mixture on your hair for 30 to 45 minutes. So the ingredients includes onion peel. Onion peel actually contains sulfur, which can also contribute to your keratin, and we know that keratin is the protein that makes up our hair. So once you have sufficient amount of sulfur, be sure that it will support your keratin production and your hair will become stronger and longer over time. All you need to do is don't discard your onion peels when you have taken the bulk part of it. You actually will be saving yourself a whole lot. Now the next ingredient is rosemary. As we all know, rosemary is a staple in our DIY recipe. It helps to grow healthy, long, bouncy hair. It is very good and it has been clinically proven to grow out your hair. So you can see that this DIY is packed. And for me to leave it for 72 hours to macerate, know that I'm going to bring you the juiciest DIY you've ever seen. Followed by cloves. Cloves is a staple in our routine. Cloves contain eugenol, which is responsible for hair growth and strengthening of your hair follicles, your scalp health. Everything is just going to be on point. So what you do is you measure 1 spoon of your rosemary, then half spoon of your cloves, and you try your best to rinse the dried onion peel to remove any form of debris or dirt on it, because we need to use products that are clean and safe for our hair. So ensure that you rinse it thoroughly, ensure that it is very clean. For you to be double sure that this is very, very clean, you would rinse it under running water, and with this you are sure that you are getting the best for your hair. And once you are done with this, ensure that you boil water to 100 degrees Celsius and you pour it into this mixture. Ensure that the water boils to 100 degrees Celsius. So this is our herbs in a bowl, and I'm pouring 2 cups of boiled water in this mixture. So once we are done with this, we cover with a lid and leave for 72 solid hours, nothing less than 72 hours. Cover with a lid and keep it. Once the 72 hours is done with, we will save this mixture and use it as a hair rinse on wash day. So this is exactly 72 hours of maceration. As you can see, this mixture is looking very dark and it has washed off all its nutrients for your hair. Once you use this on your wash day, you will know that you have used something very powerful and very, very good for your scalp and your overall hair growth. So instead of you throwing your onions peel today, keep it for this particular recipe that I've shown you. Instead of you just using only rosemary and cloves, you can actually mix it with onion peel and you are good to go. Onion peels is packed with a lot of compounds that will strengthen your hair, and it is not expensive because you are getting it from your onions, which we use in our daily recipe, right? So yeah, as you can see, the cloves have washed off all its color. It is now looking lighter in color. It is now a lighter shade of brown. So we're going to be comparing it with the picture of how it was when it was still dry and it has not been used. So you're going to strain this mixture and turn it into your applicator bottle. Since we're using it as a hair rinse, we need something that would actually give off the product very well as opposed to spray bottle. So you will need to transfer your hair growth water into an applicator bottle. Ensure that your applicator bottle nozzle is free from any form of particles so that it can easily be applied on your scalp. This would actually help your hair. If you have tried different DIYs on YouTube and nothing has been working, you can actually try this. As you can see, this is actually very dark and it is slightly thicker than the other ones you'll be using. It is actually looking like a tonic at this point. So you're going to be using it on your hair. Then you keep it for 30 to 45 minutes and you wear a shower cap in this process. So this is how the applicator bottle actually looks like. All you need to do is fill in your water into this bottle. Ensure that you get all the juicy nature of this water. Always, shake before you apply on your hair so that whatever would have settled will just, be transferred to your hair. and you retain all the ingredients or the compound that has been extracted into the water. So this is actually like the most powerful DIY that you're going to use because it's macerated for 72 solid hours. One good thing about this is that it contains rosemary and cloves. Those two combined with your onion peel will actually give your hair the strength that it needs. So this is me, earlier spraying the hairspray of onion peel, rosemary and cloves. So for your hair rinse, all you need to do is use the applicator bottle, apply directly on your scalp, apply around your edge line, ensure that you extend it to the tip of your hair, and ensure that you are massaging as you go. You can actually section your hair into 5 or 6 sections, then you apply on your scalp, then extend it to the tip of each of the section. Then once you are done, you wear a shower cap and you leave it for 30 to 45 minutes. After that is done, you rinse it off. So this can actually serve as a pre-poo treatment. So pre-poo treatment is basically what you do before you shampoo your hair. So imagine you are using this as a pre-poo treatment and also as a hairspray, as you see me do in this clip. Your hair is going to be long, bouncy, shiny, and just very, very well strengthened. So this is it. This is how my hair is looking. Now I'm just trying to moisturize the hair and or whatnot, and do like a low manipulative hairstyle that will last for weeks. Then I'll take it down and repeat the same process. The good part of it is you don't even need to stress yourself about how to get onion peels, because virtually everybody have onions in their household. So as you can see, you can just use what you can find in your kitchen to grow out healthy, long, bouncy hair. Our hair has gone way past using artificial products. We now have herbs that can grow out our hair without breaking the bank, and these 3 solid ingredients is actually one of them. So would you be trying this? Let me know in the comment section. Save this, share with your family and friends. This video is going to break YouTube. It is going to be one of the most talked about DIY that has ever been shown on YouTube. And you are lucky to be among the first set of people to see a 42-hour hair growth remedy, hair growth recipe that would actually work. Save this video and try it out. I remain your favorite hair coach. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and get all your ingredients and try this out. You don't even need so much. You can just do a quantity that will be enough for your hair, that would saturate your hair. If your hair is very, very full, ensure that you do more quantity so that it can saturate your hair well, and your hair will actually absorb the product very, very fast. If you have low manipulative hairstyle on, you can just spray from the roots of your hair to the tip of your hair. You can use the hairspray as I earlier showed you. But if you are not on low manipulative hairstyle, if you want to use it as a hair rinse, you're still good to go. See ya. Enjoy. You can bank on it. You can